Hi all, how are we all doing on this grey and gloomy day? Almost the end of April. Look at it. What's going on with our weather? I don't know. Anyway, it's good to be back on a bike. I've not been out on Sid for quite a long time now, as you probably gather if you look at my channel occasionally. There's nothing gone up for a couple of months, with good reason, because it's bloody horrible weather. And I don't know if you've noticed, we've got a new camera angle. Yes, new camera angle. Got it mounted on my chin now, because it's a new camera, basically. New camera and a new angle. I've been out and I've bought myself a GoPro Hero 5. Yeah, I've had it for a while actually, the GoPro. Couple of 3 months, and I've just not got round to putting it on the helmet. Well, I say, I went out and bought this jolly old GoPro Hero 5 at the wrong time, a week before they reduced the price. Just my bloody luck, innit? And it's sat around because of the weather and what have you. I've not had the inclination to get out on the bike. So I don't really know what I'm doing out on it today, but there we are. I'll pick it out and make a vlog for you, just to prove I'm still about. And I want to see if I've got the right angles, might have it on the camera first as well. So, whoops, that's something I'll get used to. It's mounted on my chin, isn't it? Not the side. Yeah, so if it's not the right angles, this video won't be going up. But hopefully it is, and I want to, you know, get it all right, because next week is May Bank holiday, and I want to be all set up for that, because we're going down to the, well, we're going on the Hastings May Day run. So I want it all honky-dory for that, and you know, this really is just a trial run. Yeah, so I've got it stuck on my chin. I looked at all different ways of mounting it on your chin, because I've got a funny shaped crash helmet. It's the Schuber C3 modular helmet, as they call it, flip front as I call it. And it's I don't know, it's curved in all sorts of places, and a sticky mount certainly wouldn't stick on it very well. So I toyed with the idea of mounting it from the side with lots of different little accessories to bring it forward and round to your chin. And I did actually make that up and sort of held it in place, and I thought, nah, that's just looked too flimsy somehow. It had too many joints in it, so I went for the other popular way, which is to get some Sugru. It's good stuff. It's a glue, and it comes in little strips. It's about £6 for 3 strips. And when it sets, it turns into like a solid rubber. So I thought, I'll give that a go, and that's what I did. I put that on me, peeled off the sticky bit off the GoPro mount, put this Sugru on there, moulded it all round, pushed it on, and made sure it's secure. You have to leave it 24 hours, and it's done the job. It's fixed on there quite nicely. Yeah, so we got the old GoPro Hero 5 now on the chin. Hopefully it's an improvement on the old Sony. Better be. Cost me a fortune. Well, not a fortune, but cost enough money, don't they, these things? So it's just a test today, really, just to sure it's all up and running properly for the May Day run in a couple of weeks' time, which we are going on down at Hastings. Have a little run down there with my son, and the missus on the back probably. Hopefully it'll be a bloody sight warmer than it is today. It's bloody freezing. My hands are frozen. And I've only got summer gloves on, but it's supposed to be spring, isn't it? Feels like winter's returned. As I say, the vlog really is just to say sorry for not putting anything up for the last 2 months. I've been a lazy bastard. Nah, it's just the weather. Just put me off. Haven't lost interest particularly, but just the weather's put me off. And what I also wanted to say in this here vlog here is thanks for sticking with me, everyone who's subscribed, and a great big thank you to all the recent subscribers. I've gained quite a few for over the last 2 months, and I've not put anything up, so that might be a way to beat the YouTube algorithms. Don't put any new stuff up and you still get new subscribers looking at your old content. But no, wouldn't do that to you. Certainly not. Yeah, so thanks for everyone who's stuck with me. Thanks to all the new subscribers. I hopefully now, once the weather starts warming up, which it hasn't done today, it's got colder, but there we go. But once it does start warming up, hopefully we get back to sort of weekly vlogging out on our bike, finding things to talk about and discuss. And for now, whatever you ride it safely, and I'll catch you next time out, hopefully in the sunshine.